There's my... So there's... How is it going, everyone? How is it going, everyone? Me... Ambulance and PROJIMO Productions here had came to see the garbage truck. Hell yeah. I think this is a new garbage truck or something. Yeah, YouTube, it's sad. Before I used to come often and see the garbage truck. Pretty cloudy today as a result. Normally when I come and see the garbage truck, it's clear and sunny. But nope. It's drizzling. Woo! Come on. I think it's that some guy I've seen. Woo! Here it comes. Woo! Oh. Have a safe day! Woo! Good orange robe by this guy. Woo-hoo-hoo! You got that right, water bottle. An ambulance. Wow. That sounds like CNG, maybe. Okay. Woo! Yeah! Let me adjust it a little bit. Ha! We wanted a horn show for Easter. There we get at it. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo! Air brakes don't sound too decent, too shabby. That car needs to wait. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Woo! Hola! 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 What's your name?
José.
Hola, José.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, bien.
¿Cómo te llamas tú?
Luis.
Luis.
Sí.
Oh,
Yo te veo en el camión verde.
hace mucho, ¿va?
¿Eh?
¿Como 5 años?
¿Eh?
¿Cómo va?
Sí.
¿Cómo estás? Cuídate mucho.
Sí, gracias. Pítame recio. Yes! Yes! Okay. Jose drives that trash truck. No wonder why. Ha. God bless all these trash men who are taking part in cleaning the city. Just zooming in. YouTube Edco Waste lives on in 2020. Ha! Woohoo! There goes that trash truck to the next stop.